Student, we start class 11 physics. Yesterday we explained about the conversion of temperature. It means Kelvin into degree centigrade into Kelvin, Fahrenheit, Newton, etc. And we also explained about the steam point and ice point. It means lower point and top point of thermometers. Today we do some numericals related to these formulas. Our question is the triple point of neon and carbon dioxide are 24.57 Kelvin and 216.55 Kelvin respectively. Express these temperatures on the Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. So if temperature is given in Kelvin, this is the value for neon and this is the value for carbon dioxide. Then formula for degree Celsius, T C equal to Tk minus 273.15. Temperature in Kelvin is 24.57 minus 273.15. So our answer is, after minus this 273.15 and 24.57 is minus, then 8 5, it means 1 is carried, then 15 minus 7 is 8, and after that 0 is here and we take 1 carry, then 10 minus 5 and 5 and 2, then take 1 carry, 12 minus 4 and 8, after that 6 minus 2 and 4, 2, and answer is minus because minus term is greater. So temperature in Celsius is minus 248.58. ये जो हमारा वर्क हो रहा है किसके लिए हो रहा है? नियॉन के लिए. पहले हम नियॉन के लिए वर्क करेंगे और नियॉन के बाद हम वर्क करेंगे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के लिए. तो हम नियॉन का जो टेम्परेचर है वो सेल्सियस में फाइंड कर चुके हैं. हमको नियॉन का टेम्परेचर फॉरेनहाइट में फाइंड करना है. तो फॉरेनहाइट के लिए आपका फॉर्मूला है Tf इक्वल टू 9/5 Tc प्लस 32 9/5. we put the value of Tc minus 248.58 plus 32 and we solve this term, and after solving we get an answer, and the answer is, we multiply 9, it means 248.58 into 9, it means 7 to 45 और 7 आपका हो जाएगा 52, 5 कैरी 77, 7 कैरी and 36 and 7 यानी 43, 4 कैरी 9 to 18 and 4 22 37.22. it means 20. next Tf equal to 9 के आपने मल्टीप्लाई की 248.58 से, आपने गेट किया 2237.22 अपॉन 5 जो कि माइनस की टर्म है प्लस 32. ठीक है, इसकी इसको जो आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो सॉल्व करके आपका आंसर आ जाएगा माइनस का 415.32 in Fahrenheit. Next exercise for neon. This is exercise for neon and next exercise for carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, it means purified in Celsius, then Pk minus 273.15. It means in Kelvin it is given 216.55. 216.55 minus 273.15, then 273.15, 216.55, then 0, 6, 5, it means 56.60 is answer in degree Celsius, and in Fahrenheit is 9/5, and the answer of PC is minus 56.60 plus 32, and we multiply by 56.60 into 9, then 59, 5 carry 50. It means 509.40 upon 5 प्लस 32, और इसको आपका सॉल्व करके जो आप आंसर गेट करेंगे वो आपका आएगा माइनस का 69.8, माइनस का 69.8. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज टू एब्सोल्यूट स्केल्स TA, A and B points of water defined to be 200, यानी इट मींस TA equal to 200 and DB equal to 350. TA upon TB, it means 200 upon 350. 5 corner 20 and 5 35. Then TA equal to 4 upon 7 TB. Student, we start next question. A hole is drilled in a copper plate. The diameter of the hole is 4.24 centimeter, 27.0 degree centigrade. What is the change in diameter of the hole when the shape is heated to 227 degree centigrade? Coefficient of linear expansion is 1.70 into 10 to the power minus 5. It means in this question the value of alpha is 1.70 into 10 to the power minus 5 degree centigrade to the power minus 1. Next in this question L is given, and initial length is given 4.24 centimeter, and del T and temperature 227 minus 27, it means 200 degree centigrade. Student, all the values are given in this question is CGS unit, because alpha is also given in degree centigrade, L is given in centimeter, and del T is given in degree centigrade. So we use the formula, and del L is quotient, then formula is alpha L del T. L dash minus L, it means del L alpha equal to alpha L del T. So in this question The value of alpha is 1.70 into 10 to the power minus 5, and the value of L 4.24, and the value of del T, it means 200 degrees centigrade. Then the value of change in length 1.44 into 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter. Listen carefully, student. In this question, we have a value of alpha, yani coefficient of linear expansion, and the value of initial length, it means small l, and the value of change in temperature, it means initial temperature is 27 is given to this question, and the final temperature is given 2 to 7. It means B minus 2 to 7 minus 27, it means 200 degrees centigrade is the change in temperature, and del L is question mark. Then we can find the del L, it means change in length. The formula for change in length equal to alpha, yani linear coefficient of linear expansion, L yani initial length, del T, it means change in temperature. So we put the value of alpha, the value of alpha is this, and we put the value of small l, and the value of small l is this, yani 4.24, and the value of change in temperature is 200. After multiplying these values, we find the answer, and the answer is 1.44 into 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter. Thank you, students.